बताना भाई. We have. Wait, I'll open. Hi. Hello. Oh, it's not started yet. Am I audible? Visible? Oh yeah, shit. I'll can keep this for my phone holder. That's gone. Hi. Hello, 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 hello. Whosoever is here, we have a message from Nav. Hello. Hi, Nav. Nav, bro. Yeah. Nice. Cool. We can have a chat. Whosoever is watching. Hello. Hi, Sky Loholic. Kyloholic? What that means? But yeah. Hello, hi, Pratik. Mishra, hello. Cool. Let people join in. So firstly, for the folks who don't know, it's a long time. We had no live streams, so that's a good one. Well, I was not planning for this live stream, but then I was like, yeah, it has been a lot of time. So hi, Yash. Okay, let's pause it. Yeah. So then I thought it has been a lot of time and thoda interaction banta hai na. That's the reason. Hi Jatin. Hello bhai. Hello. And folks who don't know, like we will have resume review and parallelly we'll be doing Gapshap about job market right now. And also I'll show you that if I had been at your place and I had been looking for jobs, then how I would have applied, how I would have gone about searching for companies, all that stuff. I'll also show you. We will see a proper procedure of how I would have gone about it. And then, yeah, we can also see everything upon how's the LinkedIn looking like, how our job market looking like. There's a next level hype about the current job market. I don't know why, but yeah, there is. Hi Shantinath, bhai, hi, hey, bhai, spam, please don't spam, please. I thought that there's so much hi is going on. So yeah. And yeah, we might not be reviewing all the resumes. So the top first ones which we got, let's say 20, we can review that. Not after that. So please, if you say okay, that's the reason I made this live stream in like I made this live stream in the morning around 2 p.m. ish. That's the reason I wanted the one who gave first. That will be reviewed first for sure. And yeah, we had already reviewed many times quite before, so no worries on that part. Cool. We have hi Mohit, hi Yash. Firstly, a few known people. I love known people. I don't know why. I don't know why is this so energy right now. Maybe after a long time we are meeting. Hi Kashif. Hello SR. Hi Nikhil. Can I share my resume for review now? Haan bhai, there are a few only in the Telegram channel, so for sure, why not? And bhai, Code Forces ka solution bhi banao please. Bhai, if I made Code Forces solution, then what will happen to my life? I'll be either kicked out of my company or I'll be in heaven. No, not heaven, because my place is in hell, so I will be in hell because I cannot even manage my time right now. So it's kind of impossible because see, like you can say that code forces we can make, but it's more or less more for college students only, because for sure after college I have not seen people doing code forces at all. I don't know why. It's actually a good sport. The people who used to continue in my college itself, they have actually stopped continuing. I don't know why. I thought maybe I'll make a group with them. I'll also do, but then no one has time. That's obvious. Friday parties and stuff. Yesterday, people went on to see Shaitan. I was like, I have to make my 100 days, 100k placement lectures, so why not? And yeah, Raven Cup video, I'll try. The lecture is recorded. So the lecture is made. I'll record that probably tomorrow, because today I was learning ML with Spark. I don't know why I wanted that, but I wanted to learn that, so I was learning that. And yeah, for the folks, it's off topic, but the folks who was thinking, no, that why is DSA important in actual company work, I realized I knew that, but I got one example. So in Spark, like there's Spark with SQL and there's Spark with Java. Java API. So in the Spark with SQL, if you do some operations by default, it's much more time taking rather than normal Spark with Java API. Now this Spark with SQL, it under the hood might apply an operation of sort aggregate, while Spark with Java API might apply hash aggregate. Now to distinguish between them, you just see the query plan, and then in that you can see it's a sort aggregate versus a hash aggregate. And for that you need to know the concept of sorting, hashing. You should be knowing, okay, sorting is n log n time, which is taking a lot of time. That's the reason how you can improvise that to a hash aggregate. So yeah, there's a concept of this coming in picture. And you also please let me know if you are just not good with this background. If you don't like the background, I'll change the background. I have many backgrounds. Cool. I'll go back to chat again, and then we'll start off with a few things. And again, if you have any questions, doubts, whatsoever, it's a Gapshap time. Although we will keep live stream a bit short. It will be around 1.5 hours. I'll not go long because we have tomorrow's concert, like tomorrow's contest. I want you guys to sleep. I'll also sleep so that I can bring on tomorrow's video on time. Cool. Now, yeah, SR question done. Yes, slow mode. No, slow mode, I don't require slow mode because I don't have so much, chats going on. It's still manageable for me. Slow mode is required by Carry Minati and stuff. I am nowhere near him. Nowhere. Okay. Oh, we have got a lot of resumes. So that's, I think that's pretty much it for today. Now, okay, resume kahan dalna hai? Telegram. Mil hi nahi rahi. What? भाई बाइनरी सर्च लगा के लड़की ढूंढवा दो. बाइनरी सर्च लगा के बाइनरी सर्च लगाने के लिए यू हैव अ सॉर्टेड लिस्ट. उसके लिए यू नीड टू हैव अ लिस्ट. यहां तो लिस्ट ही नहीं है, तो हाउ वुड यू कैन गेट अ बाइनरी सर्च ऑन समथिंग? So your array is empty. Firstly, you should give me an array. Then I'll sort that array and then I'll apply binary search on it. So that's how things will go. So first requirement is give me an array. If you have an array, Skyloholic, great. If not, see, I don't have an array, so I can't do anything about it. आपके Leetcode की absolving next level है. Salute to you, bro. Yeah. Solitary creator. Hi, bro. Hi. I want to share my resume. Cool. Majid. आपके Leetcode की रोहित भाई resume कहाँ भेजूं? भाई यहाँ भेज दो, यहाँ भेज दो भाई. You are too good. Thanks सुमतजीत. Goldman Sachs के बारे में भी बताना. क्या जानना है बताओ? जो जानना वो बताऊंगा सिर्फ. I don't want to get into controversies, so I will not tell anything. Resume review link. This is the resume review link in which you are at. Busted. Pratik Mishra. Busted how? Jatin Yadav. भाई ये किस पास है मुझे ये नहीं पता. Cool. I done previous company questions of which company? So this, see, because it's more of previous company, you should solve questions specifically of the company which you want to join. Let's say if you have upcoming interview of, let's say, Oracle. So go and look for first. Again, people will say go and see the company tag question. No, company tag question is the second thing. First thing is go to Leetcode discuss page and search for Oracle. Like let's say I'll share my screen and I'll tell by that how we can go about it. So let me share my screen. So yeah, this is the Telegram channel in which I was referring. But let's say if you want to, let's say, have Oracle. So like you can just simply write, simply write Leetcode Oracle. Now, like firstly, go to Leetcode discuss page. That's a prime aim for you. Let's say it opened one of the things, but you will go to Leetcode discuss again. That's the number one place you should go to if you have your interview lined up for a specific company. Then one option is write Oracle here. That's one option. You will get the Oracle questions. That's one option for the same discuss page. Now, second option for the same discuss page is search for Oracle as a company tag here. So you will see Oracle, like usually you will get the company tag linked. So both you will see, both writing on the topics, you will get a different result itself, and writing on the tags itself, you will get a different result. Now, when you have gone through for the last 3-4 months from the discuss page, then you will go on to YouTube and look for the actual interview experiences people usually make the videos of how the interview experience will look like and all that stuff. You can make that interview experience itself. Now, when this is done, you can then go to company tag questions. Now, usually you will see that although I have given the entire list, placement interview series, if you had not gone and watched it, I can show. It should be here itself. Just write placement. Okay, that is not here. Okay, I'll boom. Okay, I'll show you in a new tab. Why not? I also want to know how the search is working, how it will work, all that stuff. So trying to get started. What is this? Start watching videos to help us. Okay. Hi. Okay. Oh, sorry. I don't want to open that hi, but yeah. Placement. Oh, company tagged questions. Company tagged questions by Aryan Mittal, maybe that might, yeah. You will see that how much placement for DSA company wise. You can see that specifically. Again, in this you will see entire list of entire link of a sheet which will have specifically company tag questions. And not only in that, then you have again for the folks who don't know, we have 100 days 100k placement series, in which you have the most important questions being covered in this order. I have shuffled the topics, but the order still is maintained on the most important basis. So this is the playlist itself. Again, we are keep on going it. I see in the very beginning it was 5k views, but then it is now 500. I see it usually how the things goes. It gradually drops down, but yeah, that's very normal for it. Now, coming on back, that's how you should prepare for the interviews. Now, coming on back to our actual list which we're discussing. Oh, okay. Hi, resuming how you, that's done. Bhai ne dhoti khol di. Okay. I don't realize that on which point we are actually mentioning here, but yeah, cool. Coding ka carry minati nahi bhai. That I don't see. I should start playing games. That's also a good way to interact. And I was also thinking like, see, give me a suggestion that I should open a Google Meet link in which I could invite a few of you. Again, that will be on the first come first serve basis, but a few of you. As in, it should not be okay. I open a Meet link and 100 people came in, although 100 is not even there, but still. Is it possible that 20 or maybe 5-10 people at a time? Then we can, okay, maybe in the next stream we can have another 5 and like that. I want to actually interact face to face. That's much more, I want to know about you guys. Much more like deep, like, you know what I mean? Not that, but yeah, that. Cool. May I resume a review kar do? Sure, bhai. I'll go in the order wise. And for sure, we know the stream will be of around 1.5 hours. Because after that, my camera will die. So we'll keep in that, okay? How many we can review in that time? We'll for sure keep that. For sure. Now, descending में Telegram link है, वहाँ भेजो. Description में, okay, yeah? DSC descending, wow. If you had been learning SQL, then you know order by column and descending is DSC for descending itself. देखा, that's how coders read. Joke, bullshit. Cool. एल्विश यादव की कंट्रोवर्सी पर रोस्ट रील के साथ कोडिंग सिखा का एल्विश को उसकी औकात दिखा दो. Okay, so this reel is between that, right? Elvish Yadav and one more guy जिसके यहाँ पे चोट लग गई थी. The one who got hit on his lips, something like that. If that is it, we can. There are a lot of things to make coding things on, but yeah. शुरू करो यार. Cool. सोना भी है कल के लिए. That's true. Me too. So we'll start off. We'll go into comments later on. But let's start off. So we have Vishal. Let's open this. I want to open it with something of drawboard. Cool. Now, if we open it, let's have chat again. Chat also, you can keep on telling, commenting, all that stuff. That wait, I'll just get this out. Yeah, I hate this Mac thing. It never gets out. Okay, I should, yeah, it is now out. Now I should also keep, okay, we can review the chat. We can review it slowly. Now, okay. So firstly, in a high level look, it looks awesome. See, I'm just telling you how an interview looks at your resume, because when you go for any interview, your interviewer gets your resume around 5-10 minutes before. Although he has an email. See, I'll tell you how the procedure works in the company itself. Company, basically HRs and stuff, they, again, the entire recruiting team, they have the different. So they share the resume with, like, they give a time, they give your resume, and that's it. And they ask, are you available? If you're available, then you will accept the meeting. If not, then you will have to find a replacement of the same interview. Now, usually, there can be chance that your interview is happening with 1v1 or 1v2, which means I am a candidate and you are the interviewer. So interview can be 2 or 1. Depends upon company to company. But yeah, usually for safety, people keep 2 or maybe 1. That's company to company. Now, they will look at your resume very high level and very fast. Especially, they'll just scroll off. So let's say, let's take some color. Let's have a thickness. Okay, that's fine. Firstly, if I would have gone through your resume, okay, that's way too thick. That's what she said. Okay, we can go to it. Okay, nice CGPA. Okay, this I don't much care, but if I go on, is there any link of anything? Okay, there is a link. Yes, let's go on to link. I want to open the link on this browser itself. So if I open the link again, usually people will not go and open the link, because for sure, rather than solving 950 plus questions, Vishal, you must have written the rank, because you have good rank. That's great rank. So you should have written the rank itself, which you have got. And again, hats off to consistency is awesome. Now you should have written that's a good. Cool. So you should have written the rank itself rather than writing down the number of problems solved, because no one cares about the problem solved. And for me, it's kind of a flag that if I'm asking you a Leetcode question, and if I see that you have already solved 950 questions, so I might expect you to solve other questions of Leetcode. So that will give me, and again, if you're not able to solve it, that might end up going in some other directions. So I'll say, rather than, people usually write, again, that's my take. You can write if you have nothing else. But in case of Vishal, he has a good rank, so he can write that rank itself. Again, you can also write the maximum rank. Your maximum rank is 1716. So write the maximum rank, maximum rating or maximum rank. Code chef. Okay. Firstly, he is in 2025. Oh, that's nice. 2025. यार contest की frequency बहुत कम है. Like, you are not giving contest that, like, considering you are in college, you have time, you should give more contest in code chef also. And you have no code forces, so I might be thinking you for sure have code forces, but the rank is not that great, so you must have not written that rank. But still, you could have given like you could have given more contest on code chef as well, because considering you're in college and you have time. Okay, there's no, I have not opened Geeks for Geeks for contests and stuff, but I guess they also give the ranks. Maybe you can just comment down below. Okay, backend we have Java, Python, PHP, and Node.js, React.js, JavaScript, Bootstrap, HTML, CSS. Okay, nice. So, college facility billing system developed and implemented an innovative online faculty billing system using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL. HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, okay, PHP, okay, and MySQL, effectively streaming the billing process and reducing the time required from days to just 10 minutes. Days. Online faculty billing system. See, if you had actually improved this, then I'll for sure deep dive into something. You have reduced from days to 2 minutes. That's the biggest improvement. If I got this thing, First question, again, you are not live here. If you would have been, I would have asked directly. But the first question for me, sorry, for you would be what you did. What you did, first question. Why was that required? For sure, you have written days. So I'll backtrack my question and ask you, what was existing tech? What was existingly? You should be knowing everything. What was existing? Then I will ask you the entire breakdown from 1 day to minutes of 10 minutes. Give me an entire breakdown of what things improved by how much time. Like, okay, you maybe used some new tech stack by which something improved. For example, let's say if I am working on, let's say I take an example of my thing which I am working. So I can just simply say, okay, I improved the XYZ. Again, XYZ, you can just look at my resume itself. I'll not say out loud. I don't know how much I end telling you, but I'll give you a high level overview. I reduced from 3 hours to 20 minutes. Now, in that, we earlier were using Java program, which was based on Hadoop. Now we, again, that's based on MapReduce thing. We just shifted that to Spark or Apache Spark, you must have known. So that 30 reduced to 20. But Aryan, you said 3 hours in the beginning. That again, that remaining time was again bifurcated to different pipeline streams. So your interviewer will for sure ask you, and I will badly drill you on this, that because you have written on in bold and there is no explanation as such that why is that the case. So I will for sure drill you right back. What was the existing system and how you improved it? Existing system, you should be knowing end to end. What was happening? What component you improved by how much time? Else is you will just piss off the interviewer. Now, okay, that's a good thing. Design and implemented an innovative online faculty billing system. Now, it's kind of a red flag how something can take a day. That's a biggest red flag. So I think that can be way exhaustive. But again, that's maybe a billing system is something very, like a very long pipeline of stuff. But a day to a 10 minutes, it's very huge. So that will for sure alarm the interviewer. Now, design and integrated various features such as timetable, assignment, email notifications for faculty, scheme management, subject allocation, and bill creation based on the selected months and years, resulting in 20% reduction in faculty and college workload. Okay, but there's no tech stack written. Okay, is this? Sorry. Is it? It's just one thing. Okay, it says a 20% reduction in the faculty and college workload by just designing and integrating various features such as timetable and stuff. Okay, that's a simple workload reduction. That's another factor. Keeping it aside, successfully innovated operational efficiency by digitizing the entire offline faculty billing system, leading to significant time and cost savings. So, okay, now I can kind of infer that he's trying to say that everything was handheld in the beginning. Now he transformed that everything digitally, which actually was done in 10 minutes. That is the improvement, I guess. Now, if that is the case, yeah, that can be explained, because if something is handheld or manual, it for sure takes time. It's just the reduction from that handheld thing to 10 minutes. That's a good thing. So I might not drill you because it's handheld. So I might not be able to drill you on what was the existing tech stack you were using. Now, search engine, React.js, Firebase, database, Google Search API link. Okay. Oh, I want to see the link. Yeah. That's the best thing. If something is hosted also, see, it's just a PDF with a code base. That's great. Oh, it's his final year. Oh, it's his 2021. So he's in 2022. Oh, how? 1 minute. You started on 2022 November in your college. Then this is your 2021, maybe. Okay, it's just in the first year itself you just did this. Nice. Okay, you guys have a report in the first year itself. Nice, yeah, cool. So just say something about it. I'll go back to the code and probably, is it somewhere hosted if yes, then hosted link is much more preferable than a code-based link. Again, code-based link is much better than nothing, but hosted link is much more better. Cool. A search engine that is built using React.js, Firebase database, and Google Search API. Okay, programmable search engine application gives web search results without reloading the page with the help of React.js. Okay. See, firstly, I'll ask you the very basic thing. Again, that's a question at the top of my mind, which I might end up asking. Again, it depends. The interviewer who is taking your interview might not even know about anything about maybe React.js. Maybe he has not worked on that part, but still, very generic questions which anyone can ask is why React.js, why Firebase, and how did you cache stuff out? Again, that is inbuilt in many frameworks, but still, this can be asked. So you should be ready with these kind of questions, which are generic, and you might end up saying, okay, if let's say XYZ person is using a database, so for sure, a very basic question is why this database? Then he might ask you, what's relational and non-relational database? So that's, we can actually prepare for it. But yeah, seems good. The application fetches searches from Google Search API. That's good. Application search gives web search results without reloading the page with the help of React.js. That's great. Now, again, 2 projects are more than enough. 3, good. Again, if you want to extend that, see, I saw a link. Yeah, that's a great thing that, okay, there's a deployment link. Okay, maybe some issue came in, but yeah, no worries. That's great. Now experience, come to experience, Tab Lab Technologies. Yeah, 1 minute. How 25 29 22 भाई इतनी बड़ी टाइप कोई कैसे कर सकता है? 2029 he is coming past, bro. We can have this typo corrected, so let's because I'm kind of confused in everything, because see, you have done something prior, that's great, but I was confused, like when did he made all this stuff? But yeah, great. Full stack using HTML. Okay, experience the company standard for development of software and gain technical skills. By experience, what is the experience about? Even if you made a very simple project, so you can fake it out. See, you wrote this experience, great. Now for sure, you know many stuff. You know many stuff in web dev. So do one thing. You might be remembering what happened in this specific company, which is Tab Labs Technologies. You know for sure what happened. You know what tech stack they are using. You have also learned that tech stack. Rather than just writing, you learned basic stuff and you did not make stuff. Take a simple project which you overheard was happening there, and then write it down here, and then tell the interviewer, I made this or I contributed in this. So that it feels like, again, that you might end up saying, okay, Aryan, it's fake, we should not lie and stuff. See, interview is all about how good you can lie. You can lie, but make sure you are lying with the proper confidence, that if I am saying something, I have worked on it. Because see, it's highly impossible to work on everything what the company demands, right? So the best is that if company is demanding something and you have done that something, just give out. I have proper confidence, I can do that thing. Company requires confidence of yours to deliver a task. There are many people, I have already told you many times, there are many people in college, but a few of them get placed, even if you have seen they are not good in the technical skills. You might end up saying, okay, one person who is bad at Leetcode, still he got selected, but you being better than him, you did not, because of one fact, that was communication skill. And behind communication skill is the way how you projected what you knew. I might say I know this, but I should say that by confidence, and I should be able to answer that. Who cares about what? They will not go and do my background check that what I did in that company. They will not do. So why not? Again, that's a very blunt statement, but you should know how to use this. Just remember one thing, be confident. Now, let's finish this off. We have done some relevant coursework. We should skip that because that's not required. Everyone does that. Now, achievement, okay, that's great. 3-star rating, okay. So, see, I saw one thing. His rating was 4-star, right? If you had 4-star, then okay, it's 3-star. You can reach 4-star easily. See, if you had reached 1700 on Leetcode, please keep giving contests. You can reach 4-star very easily. See, 4-star at CodeStep is actually pretty easy, and we can reach that. So let's aim for 4-star. And also, number of problems I see people writing, but I don't keep that as my influence. Now, okay, that's great. See, this shows consistency, but to show how consistent you are, or basically how devoting you are, I will look at your CGPA. Oh, you have written SGPA. What's your CGPA? What will be my next question? Oh, I missed that. That's a great thing. That was a great thing. If someone's CGPA is less, I'll say write SGPA how he wrote, because SGPA would be high. Write that as SGPA for sure. If your CGPA is high, write that. But if it is very less, then write SGPA. It will be written and it will be missed also from the interviewer eyes. 100 out of 99 times it will be missed. One time you are caught, you can just tell your actual CGPA. But that's a great technique. I loved it. Serving as technical lead at Algo Zenith Coding Club in my college. That's great. And university rank 2 and college rank 1 on Geeks for Geeks. That's also great. Cool. Considering your experience and stuff, going well. Super going well. Now, let's go on to the next resume. It took a lot of time, but yeah, we'll just finish off. I just want to give a bit highlight on how we should go about in a resume. Again, at the first glance, I don't know. Again, these resumes also, Manohar G, these resumes also get selected, but considering it's a 2-pager resume for, again, graduation year 2017, okay, that's great, but still, like, provided a good years of experience, we can still have things in 1-pager. I have seen my manager resume. I saw he is 13 years. His is in 1 resume, because these things I can ask you in the interview itself. We don't have to describe everything as we did here, and that to a lot of spacing, and a very not formatted stuff. So we can look for sure some things in here itself. Okay, Java professional with 2.5 years experience in core and advanced Java, MySQL, Spring Boot, proven communicator, committed to surpassing project goals and client expectations, successfully orchestrated projects like classroom videos, leveraging Spring Boot, Spring MVC and Java frameworks, enhance efficiency and elevated customer. Firstly, he's good at Java and Spring Boot for sure. If although I am not in that field, I am not much close to Spring Boot. I have done core and advanced Java, but not that much of advanced Java, which people usually go into JDBCs and stuff. I've not gone there, but still, the one who has gone to that field, they might end up drilling. But the format of the resume is not appealing. A person would not, or would have for sure missed a lot of stuff. I would go by this introduction. I would look at these headings. This is what I will look at while I'm in the interview, and I end up asking something. I might look at this stuff. I'll not go into this at all. I might end up asking you rather. I also end up reading this Again, it's present. Both are present. Okay, good. So yeah, again, I might end up reading this, but I will not go into this stuff. I might rather prefer to ask you rather than going through this. So, and yeah, there should be something else apart from work experience and projects. That's a super empty resume. Again, if the things are inside this, which means achievement are inside this paragraph, if we think achievements are inside this paragraph, so we can have that achievement in a different column. But this is what we should try working on, maybe. Now, oh yeah, he commented also. Cool. And now let's go on. We have Sahil. Okay, that's nice. So firstly, okay, links are not working. Nice. Oh, links are not working. Okay, sorry. I have different. Okay, now it's working. So cool. Let's go on. So experience research intern, nice. It's a remote, nice. And see, it's point, crisp and concise. A human can easily read 3 points or 4 points. That's the reason. Again, let's have a quick chat read. We have not read the chat. Anything chat. Okay, there's a lot of chat I have missed. Fast, please. For sure, we'll go on fast. Wait. Something has gone up. भाई resume किधर भेजें? That's done. Busted. Okay. शुरू करो यार. That's done. Okay. आर्यन भाई love from MNIT. कब आ रहे हो college? तुषार महाजन. Probably not soon, because see, I will end up coming in college. If there is something, I have to get some sheet, because there is no way I will come here, oh yay, without anything. I will end up coming if something is important or something. Is there a fest or something? Maybe in that case. But yeah, so far luck is not allowing us. So fingers crossed. I want to come to my college. Now, भैया तू BLR में ही है ना? किस एरिया में रहते हो? उमरजीत भाई, same near my office. You can get to know where my office is. It's near Card Bisnali. That's not Kadu Bisnali, which I used to pronounce. It's Card Bisnali. Now, I'm working as a software developer in a company, but the tech stack I use there is not used by any other company like language. They use no other one use. I want to switch to other company's stack, which is even if used by other companies as well. What should I do? And from where should I start? That's very normal. In our company also we use Pure, or you can say Alloy. That's something which no one else uses. So it's not that I will crib on it. I will do simply one thing. I will go and study parallelly what I want to study. So I might end up, see, you work in office, that's office. Leave it there itself. Go and come back home and study your personal projects. Machine learning is not being implemented in my office area, but still I am learning it. But still I like it, so I'm learning it. That's the reason we have to take out time to study what we require. Again, I am learning for my fun, or basically I just want to get exposure. I just want a bit revision of stuff. I have some idea of project. I want to implement that, so that I'm just like revising back my ML basics and stuff, which I had already done in college. But still, if you are if you have a requirement of a specific job, let's say if you're looking for a job, then I'll say the best right now is go and learn Java. You might say, Aryan, Java, what is it? See, the last resume you saw, Spring Boot and stuff. That's very highly demanded right now. Most of the companies are demanding it. Again, learning Java will actually help you both in backend also and in other tech stacks where Java is needed. You can do Apache with Spark. Like you can do big data and stuff with Java. You can do a lot of stuff in backend. Again, not only big data, but yeah, in backend also with Java. Web dev also you can do in Java. So there's a lot of scope in Java. If I would have been at your place, I would have firstly finished off Java basics. And again, that might sound very, off market. Aryan WebD, React, GSS, JavaScript is going. People are promoting JavaScript. You can see Akshay Saini course. You can see Tanay Pratap. Oh, everyone is promoting Java. We have Easy Snippet. He's promoting Java. Sorry, JavaScript. See, People are promoting. That's the reason it is so saturated right now. Everyone knows everything more than what you could ever think of. So I'm not saying to not learn it, but there is no much scope which I can see. Again, there's always a scope. You might end up saying, Aryan, see, I have opportunities open in Java. Good for you. But be realistic. Coming on back. Again, we will start off very soon with the Sahil's resume. If you are waiting, Sahil, no worries. We'll start off very soon. Just have a quick chat read. Do you have any unique hackathon projects? The one I made, that was made an extension, and that is paid now. So if you remembered, I had a hackathon in my college in which we won the hackathon itself. So what we made was an online class to notes converter. So if your online class is going on, that we made in this covert thing. So if an online class is going on, you can actually convert that to notes. And now this is paid. Now someone has made this and it is paid. If you want to convert your online class to notes, you have to pay. Why, bro? Why? It's so simple. It's OpenCV and a bit of maths which you need to apply, and you can get this paid. Why not? Again, for hackathons, projects, see, it's always the demand. See, what is a demand right now? Demand right now is making a good video model, right? See, it is again, that might use that you might end up using GANs and stuff, but I'll say deepfake, GANs, if you know this, you can at least start something which you can help. Again, see, deepfakes and stuff are actually in market right now. So you can make another counter deepfake stuff, let's say by using GANs and stuff, which can analyze an existing video, and that's very easy. I know for sure there are many tools in that, but you can actually, again, you can either go in an attack mode or in a defense mode. Attack mode is making a better deepfake model, which can maybe, because see, right now, most of the models which are deepfake are actually paid. So you can make a free one, an extension, something like that, and can make it public. You will have immense growth in your extension because people want deepfakes right now. Because you can see our Instagram influencers. People are liking their videos, knowing it's a AI video. I can't even imagine. People are so dumb. They just see, okay, a girl, and for sure AI girl will be, and they are just, oh wow, so cute, so I like, okay, how people can be so fucked up. They can't even recognize, and that's a very basic deepfake. So that's what you can do. Again, that's a trend right now, and you can earn a lot of good bucks with that. Again, hackathon projects, they get many extensions. Again, ours one was also an extension itself. So you can also make extensions which can be, I am not able to think of right now, but I'll keep on speaking as I'll get something in my mind. That's right now, something right now which is very much in trend right now is NLM and deepfake, which is GANs. Now, 2 months intern who? Great, Alash. Aryan, can you please review Take You Forward playlist? Is it good for learning DSA? Take You Forward. See, I have looked at his playlist. Again, I have looked at his one place I saw once. That was actually nice. It covers most of the concept. That's a great thing about Take You Forward. He has covered a lot of concepts which people usually miss. So right now in market itself, better than the paid courses is Take You Forwards ones. And that's, again, you might say, Aryan, there are many paid courses. There is Faraz, he has got his paid course and stuff. Good, that's good. You don't need to pay for it. Because, again, paying can be beneficial, provided, number one, if you don't have anyone to connect, if you have so many problems, you cannot find anyone to answer those. First reason to get a paid course, so that you get a support, which you can easily get if you, let's say, take Harkirat's course, then you can easily get, again, if you have, and because see, Harkirat pays his people who gives support, and they're actually good. They're also students, but they're actually good. So in that case, again, if you You are paying for what? You are paying actually for one thing. First is structure, next is support. That's it. You are not paying for content, because content you can find on YouTube for sure, easily. Support is one thing for which anyone pays, right? Second is structure. Structure, I'll say people usually tell the entire brochure, entire index itself. Copy that index, search for the index itself. In YouTube, people will have playlist, post that playlist in that order itself. Sorted. But still, if you want to go for a paid course, go for it. Live courses are the worst courses I have seen. If something is recorded, it's the best course. Recorded and then a support, it's the best course. Live and then a support, I don't think it's a good course. But people want live courses. People get live courses. Great. But I don't recommend live. Although I used to also bring live ones. But I've seen live has a lot of disadvantages. Coming on back to some chatty stuff, we're going to resume because it has been a lot of time. We're not going to resume, but yeah. आपने achievement section को कैसे improve कर सकते हैं? Suggestions by one contest, by not only contest of hackathons like this Leetcode Coach Forces, but there are also different contests on Hacker Earth which are company specific. Participate in that. Get a rank, add that rank. Next is hackathons. There are a lot of hackathons which happens, like remote hackathons. Participate in that with a team. Build something. Maybe get a runner-up, or maybe get top 10. Who knows how many teams were there? Maybe there were 50 teams. Maybe there were 15 teams. You get top 10, right? Top 10. Who knows? Who cares? But that top 10, top 15 will matter. Even if you participate in a hackathon, which was having just 15 teams, you can write top 15. Top 15. That will, again, you might end up, there's a very rare chance the interviewer might end up asking, what was the hackathon? What happened in that hackathon? How many teams were there? No one will ask that. People might end up asking, what was the project you made? That should be a good, not a basic HTML, CSS, but it should be a basic, big, like good project. And that's all what we need. Now, please review mine, please. Okay, let's review. Come back and let's review this. We have some reviews going on. Conducted research on large language models, questions and retrieving models such as BERT and Dectron. Okay, integrated Pinnacle and OpenAI LangChain. Developed a chatbot using Streamlit UI. Oh, nice. Something good stuff happening here, but that's a great time duration. Achieved improvised by a basic English which we could have asked ChatGPT. See, this all stuff never affects an interviewer, but it might end up affecting your resume selection if it is selected by a model. It might flag, again, that might not reject your, but every resume gets a score. So an error might recur a negative score. Although it is not that much, but still it's good to have a error-free resume, right? Cool. Now that's good. Like for sure, I am a bit ML enthusiast, so I might end up asking you a lot of questions in this, which I might not right now, because you have constraint. But yeah, that's a good 6 months work. So I will ask a lot about what they do. Firstly, I'll ask you about what was happening, what you did, why you did. That's basic questions. And also I'll ask you about this company itself, because I don't know much about this company. So I'll for sure ask this. Now, coming on projects, you have something great. WebRTC, Socket PRGS, Socket IO client, React.js. Okay, Max Stream. It utilizes the WebRTC for high quality video calls, toggling audio, video, room connections. Yeah, that is a very basic, like what you did new in this is my question. Everyone makes this. What's new in this? That's the question. Something new we should have added. If not, if yes, then we can comment down. That's Sahil, we can comment down. But yeah, Wave Chat, developed registration, login, and implemented user authentication and session management. Again, you are of which batch? Oh, you are also okay. Nice. 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. 2023 is going on. Oh, it's 4. It's which year? 24, right? 2024 is going on, right? 25. Oh, it's next year. Okay, you're in third year itself. Okay. Still, we can have what is new, which we wanted. Added avatar profile picture feature. Oh, avatar. Integrated emoji picker React for emojis. Okay, integrated encrypt for password hashing, integrated socket IO for real-time communication. Yeah, that seems something different, not new, but different. But yeah, we can also say we have improved because video calling is not an easy task. I might end up digging into system design if I read something of this sort, because video calling feature is highly design oriented, your APIs, everything. So I'll say that if you have made something like this, please be prepared. Again, for chat application also, I can dig into the design. That's very much, both are design heavy questions. So you might end up getting drilled on system design, a bit basic one, and that will be HLD, not LLD itself, because it must be that you must have put some brain while deciding itself. Now, everyone writes the same stuff, but yeah, that's great. That's a great thing. Profile. Okay, let's have a peek at profile which I want. Let's say Code Chef and Leetcode I'll look on. And again, people will not open your profile in an interview because it's headache to open this. But there are a lot of less contest which Bro is giving, and there's no contest at all. Okay, there is contest, but Bro can actually for sure easily improve. So that's one thing. Bro can easily improve on more, because see, I can very easily say that bro is more into dev stuff. For sure, Bro can easily improve in a bit coding also. That will open a lot of opportunities for you, Sahil, because you're actually good. Now, coursework, that's a good space filler, but nice. I'll not say don't write it. You just have to make your resume complete, compact. If you want to write coursework and certification also. That's completely fine. Just fill it, make it compact, and should be like it should look good to my eyes. Now, institute rank 8 among 900 plus students. Okay, on Geeks for Geeks, that's great. Good. Okay, publish article. Everything is coding related. You have done so good projects. Why is there no hackathon? Why is there nothing like a hackathon or something in development in your achievements? Because see, your thing which is speaking out loud is your development. Your coding part is a bit needs some improvement, but what we could have had is a bit more achievements in development itself. That would have added a plus point. But yeah, position responsibility, great. Graphic designer, designed over 25 plus nice. Okay, cool. That's a great resume. For sure, need a bit improvements on the end of how we can actually, see, this is another format which I like. This is another format. See, that's also a great format for the folks who want this. This is also a great format to actually start off with. Like to actually make your final resume off. Now, again, that's, yeah, the best part is, yeah, you guys are so young. And you guys are doing so great. I see how the competition is going. In my time, for sure, the competition was there, but today, these folks, second year folks are going wild in their resumes. Can you just imagine that? That should be a resume of a fourth year student. By look wise, I'm just saying. I'm not sure. I'm not read it, but yeah, that's a bit impressive. There is no CGPA. Great. I will end up asking you, but that's if it's not good. Good to not have it also. Okay, let's have education. Okay, it's in Chennai itself. Okay, we have some coursework. Great. Technical skills. Okay. Experience as a core team member, part of the core team responsible for promoting free and open source among students, encourage students to actively participate in and adopt FOSS principles, workshops. I don't know what this is experience, but this don't look like technical experience. Okay, no worries, but that's experience we have written. That's, oh, where is that gone? Oh, there is no LinkedIn itself. Oh yeah, there's no LinkedIn itself. Cool, no worries. Now, fitness club developed a feature-rich fitness application with the capability of for users to choose exercise according categories and target specific muscle groups, providing a user-friendly interface allowing the users to browse the vast database of more than. Nothing new in this. Okay, there's nothing new in this. Developed a dynamic clothing website featuring gender-based section for men. Okay, nothing new in this also. Cool. Like considering you are in second year, right? That's a 24. Huh? So resume is nice. Projects are not. For sure, you still have a lot of time. Improvise on your projects, please. But yeah, amazing resume. Considering if I go and end up asking specific things in this specific stuff, it should have it. Now there are links which we can see and open. Oh wow. Oh, nice UI. Great, man. You should do a internship also. There are internships in second year also, which you can do, because your UI is nice. You end up making good UIs and stuff, and that's a requirement of many companies. So you should try. Leadership extracurriculars. Okay, there is something happening which you did. That's nice. And some profiles. If you're also good at Leetcode now, I will say, oh, there's no contest at all. Lovely, Samir, lovely. I'll say, start giving contests also. That will help you a lot. And there is, okay, HackerRank, I will not go. See, GFG, I will not go into it because, okay, you gave some, but you end up stopping it. See, I'll recommend that it's a high time you should start giving contest and getting good at Leetcode, because that will help you a lot. And yeah, let's also go into bit backend and have something interesting made that will actually boost things up. Cool. I'll react. Else I'll forget what all are done. Okay. Now, coming on. Okay, we have to open with. That's another nice resume. High level look. Loved it. Jatin Yadav. Yeah, you guys are so nice. Cool. Okay, it's NSUT, right? Amazing CGPA. Okay, you are still in your second year. Second year, 2023. It's okay. It's in third year. मेरा क्या batch था? But okay, I am passed out. I'm very bad at this, but yeah. That's a nice CGPA. Awesome. I'll say make it a 9. If Jatin, you can make it a 9, considering that NSUT has a good impact. It's a good college. Again, I'm not saying for other colleges you might end up should not make your resume good. You should, but if you can make it a 9, although it's a very hard stuff, but I think you can, considering, I don't know what your branch is, but maybe you can. If you are able to do it, it will actually have a very great, representation. Now we have weather app, orchestrated the design and implemented a cutting edge feature weather application in Kotlin. Good language, hands down, good points. RESTful APIs, again, I might end up asking you what's an API, what are different kind of API which we can have, what's GraphQL if you don't know about it. I'll keep on, because for weather orchestration apps, GraphQL is very important. Like, you should be knowing what a GraphQL is, at least. You should explore different opportunities or different possibilities of how you can fetch data from any stream or any DB. So good to have questions like these prepared already. Now, because see, the interviewer's main task is to ask you what you did, why was something else. Firstly, he'll ask you what could have been something else. Second thing, he will ask what was that something else, and as in like why was that not used, why you use this thing. And if let's say you don't know what could have been something else, then he will give you, okay, I'll give you, it's GraphQL. Why you did not use GraphQL? Then he will ask you what's the advantage and disadvantage between this and that. Then he will drill you back what was existing stuff which was being done. Then he will ask you what is now what you did. So this is the entire flow of any interview handling your project or your experience. In both these places, this is the entire format in which your interview revolves around. Because see, that's very basic in a company also. In a company, when you have global meetings and stuff, every big like skip managers or very big people, MD and stuff, they usually ask with these questions also. They usually go and ask with these questions only. Let's say if you go and present them, okay, I have made this feature and I have improved this by this amount. So they will say, okay, please tell us the existing feature. Then compare that with the new feature. Then break it down at every component, how much you increased. That is what you should also prepare for. That's just something I thought of telling. Okay, we have some numbers. So streamlined database management operations achieved a 25% decrease in data retrieval times, improving system efficiency. Okay, again, I want to have, again, please comment down below if you guys want. I feel like having a mock interview because there are so good questions. I want to ask how, why, what did you did, because I want to have it. So comment down below if you guys are interested. We can have a mock live interview also, maybe of 2-3 folks, one at a time. Yeah, for sure. Now, pizza shop management system, engineered and implemented a robust pizza shop management system using okay, Python okay, budget tracker. Okay, okay, very basic, good one, but that can be drilled on. Yeah, considering we should be having a bit. Okay, there are no links. Okay, there is a link. Okay, 450 plus rounds. Seems like our Jatin was a bit, maybe his internship is going on. Like, I don't know why this part is not that much frequent, but we could have had more frequent contests and stuff. That would be good if we can have it. It will actually impact a lot because we should improve. Because see, development part is good, but people have done a lot more development. So we need to do a bit more DSA to get good at DSA a bit more. So that's what we can do. Again, we can also try achieving 4-star. That's very close. Okay, that's not close. But yeah, still, we can try off. Don't do it by this account. Do it by other account. I will openly say, don't see. Some things is for your resume, and some things are for you. So if you think the rating, you want to have a blue rating if anyone open your Codeforce account, so your Codeshop account, then have this account. Keep a parallel account in which you are regularly giving contest and improving that. Achievement, okay, global ranking for Newton, okay, that's solved questions is not an achievement. People don't understand this, but yeah, even if you want to add it just to fill the space, I will say add it, for sure add it. Now, but if you have something better to add, rather than solving problems. Please add that something better. Now, certified member, okay. Icon with Amazon Season 3, organized by Amazon. Okay. Emerging as winners in the inter-school kabaddi competition. Okay. As an ex-con member of CP. Okay. Led and guided a team of 3 members as a certified key member and leader of team premium for Flipkart grade 5.0. That's nice. Showcasing exceptional problem solving and technical expertise in the high competition environment. What is this link? It's a Google Drive link. Okay. Always open the link by seeing. That's nice. That's a proof. See, links gives credibility. Have the links, it will help you a lot. Now going on back, we have done Jatin, right? It was Jatin. It was Samir. No, it was Jatin. Where is that gone? This one, right? Oh, it's Samir. It is Jatin. Okay, we have done Jatin. Sach, thanks if you do review. Okay, if you do review. Now, again, that's also a nice one. A lot of projects. Considering bro is passed out. Oh, bro is passed out. So, one thing, Vivek Ji, either Vivek Ji is working or Vivek Ji is looking. Okay, Vivek Ji is looking. So, what we can do is, we can look for what Vivek Ji can do, right? So, again, let's have a quick chat read. I don't want to miss the chat. What you guys are saying. जल्दी करो भाई, सुबह पनवेल निकलना है ऐसा. Please do fast भैया, please भाई जल्दी कर. Okay, Control C, Control V. Navya. Okay, that's something coming up for the folks who got understood that. Good. No, good. Fast. Okay, कोई तो रिव्यू कर लो, मेरा आज तक नहीं हो पाया. गेमर अड्डा. I don't know what your actual name is, but I will never even get to know that if your resume is reviewed or not. भाई जल्दी मूव करो. Yeah, for sure, Kashif. Okay, so he's reviewing you all folks resume for free, and in that you are to do in your way. That audacity to ask this obnoxiously, let him do things on his way. Have some patience. Okay, इस speed में तो 3 रात लग जाएंगी. That's true. Okay, bro is टाइम ट्रैवलर. ओके, बीसी इसको छोड़ो. अब पता लगा शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग क्यों नहीं हो रही. स्किप. नहीं, यूजुअली resumes are very quick on being shortlisted. It's just a glance and I'll just finish it off. I am reading out loud. That says it is second time. Else I'll just see, okay, looking good, take it. Okay, I'll go high level. This, let's say if I'm okay, I'll show you how a high level review happens. But where's that resume gone which I opened right now? Okay, okay, I will open it again. You guys have forgot which resume I opened. भाई कल प्रवीण का दैट्स स्टूडेंट. भाई ये resume है, लीड कोड का क्वेश्चन नहीं, इतना एक्सप्लेनेशन मत करो भाई कल प्रवीण निकलना है. You know is the reason he is in Goldman. Aryan is thorough in everything he does. बस भाई बस कर. Okay. Please do live, Aryan. Please. अरे IT Vamsi is here. Hi IT Vamsi. Okay, I skipped a few, I guess. But how much ATS score, all that is a bullshit thing. People have just made hype to only, maybe I have also end up telling, oh, ATS score is, that's a bullshit thing. ATS score doesn't matter that much. Just a good readability of your resume, a good keywords in your resume, so that your resume at least gets selected for that specific job requirements. If there is a job on web development and they require you to have JavaScript, maybe React.js stuff, if you don't have that in your resume will not get selected. So it's all about keywords. You should have the keywords sorted. Now, wait, okay. मैक्स 3 मिनट दो. BC वो नहीं करेगा. मेरा बैच मेट था, ये कॉलेज में भी ऐसे ही था. स्काईहॉलिक रिजेक्ट करो इसका रिज्यूमे. 2 पेज. हाउ टू शेयर रिज्यूमे फॉर रिव्यू. 2 पेज रिज्यूमे मतलब अब 11 बजे जाएगा. दैट वाज द फास्टेस्ट वन. to get. Cool. Where to share the resume? Okay. How much ATS score? ATS score is not the, see, read the job description. Just add the requirements in your resume, and for sure your resume will at least be selected, right? If it is not, then we have to improve the resume on a bit keyword which then have some more projects, because resume never looks for the Leetcode profile. It never. It looks for keywords. That's it. How much that is done. Going on. Bhai, please mera process fast. Okay. How many questions did you solve in DSA? When I got placed, I did maybe 300 400 once, but since then it is around 800 now because of daily problems and stuff. But yeah, bhai kal film mein nikalna hai. Okay, let's have resume reviews first. People are just so excited. Oh, there are a lot. 109. Boy. Okay, let's have it rapid fire resume review. Cool. Okay, so we have Vivek Cole's resume. Okay, I'll try to at least get the linkness. Okay, that is done kya? That is not done. Okay, cool. Now, so okay, that's a good CGPA which we want to have. We have a project. Again, we have a lot of projects which we did. That's great, but we can have the 3 most impactful ones. And if we see for the first one, there's an API which using this. Okay, but public API. Okay, scaffold as site. What is the reason? JSON. What's new in this? That's the question. All these are APIs. Web application. Okay, with Python Flask. Firstly, it's the tech is very concise, like Python Ruby Flask. Considering we can actually expand a bit more in projects, that is what I think of, and that's a skill. We can have more achievements, coding, all that stuff. See, Vivek, I know for sure you have been doing coding at least. If not, then we must start it off. So we can add that part. That will be very great. Very great. Now, Ghoul, let's go on. See. That's how things happen. Now, okay, that's a good resume, but a lot of space, which I for sure would say a lot of space that needs to be sorted off, Sayak. That needs to be for sure sorted out. Now, considering, let's go back. We are from it's a SGPA. That's also a great hack, but cool. Coursework, okay, I don't care. GitHub links, I might end up seeing by your projects first. Experience is this. Firstly, I have to zoom, okay. And 2 sessions in my college in front of, what is this English? In my college, if get your English sorted, and these PR stuff, add it later on. See, that's not experience which a technical company is looking for, right? So add the actual projects, and build a website including an AI chatbot that is trained on data set of the best doctors in Kolkata. Great. How you found this data set? That's a question for me. And it's an AI powered chatbot that gives the info, the location of doctors and all the stuff. That's a great app, but do we have a link or stuff? Do we have a link? Link. Okay, we have a link. We have a link. Let's open the link. Okay. Nice. Okay, yeah, that's true. We can actually see, but yeah, build an our clinics inspired website to keep up with my daily scheduled task. That's a good, considering you have which batch? 2020. Okay, what is this? Yeah, 2020. Oh, firstly, where's my eraser thickness? Should be as thick as the thighs are. Okay, no, I should not go there. But 26. Okay, it's great. It's you still have time. Okay, Code Chef. Where's the link of Code Chef? Do we have the link? No, we don't have the link. We should have the link, right? And we can also increase the rating and stuff. That's great. But we can actually make some, your poets are nice, good ones, considering the graduation year. We can focus a bit more on, and please add this in the last, have this in the top, then achievements, and then experience in the last, because that's not a relevant experience for anyone whatsoever. And please remove this space, that's not at all required. And ultimately it's a great one. We can actually focus more on coding. Now Sahil's resume, we have again nice resume, short, crisp and concise. Achievements, if I go on, then okay, it's 5th place in this hackathon. Any certificates and stuff, that would be great. And that's okay. 100% tuition fee waiver, scholarship, that's also a good achievement. That's a good. Usually you also receive a cash prize, as in cash amount, so also add that cash amount. That would be good achievement itself. Now coming on back, we can have okay, languages and framework. I don't know where's your college gone. Education can be at first. Okay, the CGPA is not that great. That's completely fine. We can have that in mid also, considering it's not a good, again, that's a completely good thing which he has done, which Sahil has done, that he has added in the middle, because the CGPA is not that great, so it's good to keep it in the bottom, not in the first glance. Great. I might end up drilling on the database itself. Okay, that's it. I might end up drilling on you, that on database itself. Now projects, there are chatbot. Yeah, chatbot बना रहे, आधी दुनिया chatbot बना रही है भाई. Half of the people are making chatbots. That's what an English translation. There are chatbot application offering a real-time chat, context element problem, enhancing state management across the components. Okay, ready. 5th position, 80 plus teams in the hackathon. That's a great thing. But I ask you, what is new about this? That's we can actually discuss in the interview itself. Now, considering what is the graduation year for you? Okay, that's about to. App backend, design and implement the backend infrastructure for content manager application, using JWT. GitHub link is this. Okay, to do app. Carry, what is this app? We can have a different app, please. At least not add a to-do app. That's not something which we want, right? Cool. Now problem setter intern, that's a great thing, resulting in a 40% increase in hiring efficiency for the company's talent acquisition platform. Engineered a series of complex coding challenges tailored to assess candidates. Okay, let's assess the candidates. Oh, okay. Engineer a series of complex coding challenges tailored to assess candidates' technical skills and problem solving abilities. I'll ask you what you did. And where is the coding section, bro? Where are profiles? Where is your coding section? Where is your coding background? Sahil, bro, please add it. Please. That'd be great help. Cool. We can actually add that. Now, going on back. Okay, Sahil is done. Now, okay, meet Bikani's resume. Okay. Acha, meet Bikani. Okay. Again, nicely formatted resume. Awesome impression. Again, graduation year 2026. Okay, bro is going awesome. Wild, bro is going wild. Awesome. At high level, numbers are speaking louder. Again, the numbers are not that great, but still they are actually looking nice, much more nicer. So I'll say, even if the numbers have a very huge impact. You don't even imagine how huge impact numbers can have. So have those numbers coming in projects, efficiency, have those numbers coming in. Just be ready to explain those numbers. It can be fake. It can be for sure fake, but you should have a proper reasoning of why this is relevant, why this can be true, because the interviewer will not come inside and check if it is actually true or not. Now, certifications, good to fill up the space. Again, I'll say for sure. Responsibilities, I might end up going. Meanwhile, I'm just looking for your resume. But Again, qualified, great thing. Rating, great thing. Okay, just to fill the space, that's nice. We are having the same, this we can actually prevent because it's a lot, as if you have only given 4 contests, and thus the rank, see, rank, if it would have been under 1k, it might end up looking good, but we wrote the same bi-weekly rank 343 and here rank 4594. Have one rank, best of weekly, best of bi-weekly, not every rank, right? That might end up having a lot of stuff in the resume. Cool. Now if we go and look for projects, it looks nice. GitHub and video. Okay, tech stacks, we can have it in the end. Collaborated on development on mid-Pred website for disease protection in SIH 2023 as a part of a team, and a role of backend and ML developer. Okay, I'm gonna end up drilling you on backend and ML. Now again, that's a good one to at least add in the resume. Software development, clubs website. See, the ones which are actually useful are the websites of clubs, or maybe something which you end up seeing, okay, oh, that's a website which actually impact, let's say, my father's business, my own business, my own freelancing, my own something, my own portfolio, my companies, my schools, my colleges. If they are using that website, that will actually have a more impact than something you made random just for the sake of project. Cool. Now maybe like you can just simply make a new Zoom call system and say, we made a new Zoom call because we in our college used to teach lectures, and in that we used to have a Zoom functionality, but the Zoom is paid for high quality for longer hours. So we made a new Zoom functionality which will have awesome connectivity and lesser downtime and stuff. And that's how you're giving a use case which looks useful, right? You can have a same video call like Zoom stuff, but use case is unique. Use case defined why thing was made, right? Now, okay, third party, okay, unique visitors. That's numbers. Numbers speak. I will take this specific one and I will actually start seeing, because for sure I'll be interested in this one much more than any other ones. Okay, see, things are nice. Things are actually nice. Going on, awesome. You can see it. I'll be interested in this. Now, okay, this is the last one which we have project. And a bit recommendation, we can have a bit more length of this, as in width of this, a bit more if you want. Publications. Presented research paper titled Machine Learning Based System for Early Detection of Heart Diseases. And again, please order your resume in the order which you think are the most impactful ones. I might not go into this because I don't have time as an interviewer. Cool. Now, focus on improved diagnosis accuracy using advanced machine learning. I think you are good in machine learning, so I might end up drilling you on machine learning. But where are the links for your Codechef Codeforces profiles? Or maybe Leetcode profile? No link. Great, bro. Please add that. So, Meet should add links. That would be very helpful. Else, it might end up looking like we didn't do anything. Cool. Now, okay, next, another amazing looking resume. Cool. Now, if we go on and see that we have something here, no CGPA, I might ask you. Now, experience, we have collaborated with a cross-functional team of 2 designers and 5 developers working together to revamp the website design and create a cohesive, visually stunning interface. That's a good English, I might say. Elevated the site speed by 50% through rigorous bug resolution. How can a bug resolution can increase the site by 50%? See, again, you might say that I am much interested in his experience rather than his projects, because experience is the first thing which a person interviewing will ask you. He is not concerned with the projects which you made in college, but the experience. So if you write the experience in the top, Be ready. It is the first thing which you will be asked on, not your projects. Similarly, integrate 5 plus APIs with Axios, Axios, and optimizing response time by 4x via efficient caching. Okay, that's nice, but 50% through rigorous bug resolution, that is something I don't know what is this, but yeah, we can maybe look for it if it looks good. Nice. If not, then we have to change it. Produced reports, README, and another other documentation to assist new members, resulting in 40% reduction in training time and boosted efficiency. That's nice. Optimized again. Arey bhai, my controls is not working. Okay, cool, no worries. Now we have real estate projects, blog app, optimized, and you can actually name your apps a much more different names, right? Achievements, top position in GFG. Yeah, GFG is काफी famous between college students. I've seen. What was your graduation year? It's 25. Okay, next year. Cool, no worries. Consistent streak. Okay, salt. Okay, 900. Okay. Where is the ranks? No worries. Again, you might say, Aryan, is it impactful? No, it is not. No, it is not, because the people working in in companies itself. Okay, bro has not given much contest. Just 9. But bro is solving problem consistently, which means bro is kind of afraid of giving contest live. That's not what we should do. We should give contest live. That's actually gonna improve us. Cool. So that's done. Bhai, we have so many. Like, for sure we cannot do 100. That's obvious. But yeah, oh bhai, what is this? What is this? What is this? Vishal, Krishna, VS. What is this? Who cares for this? No one. Good CGPA. Okay, but no one cares for this. Please, if we can remove this, and at least we can have 2-liners for the projects. So many projects with no description. Awesome. No links, I'm assuming. Awesome. We should have links. This one is not something which, again, max to max 3 projects. That's it. It's a lot of projects, and I'll only choose the top 3. Or I'll ask you, tell me the best project which you had done, and then I'll grill you on that project. That's it. I'll not go into all of them. I don't need to know about what all stuff you know. I need to know if your basics are clear or not, if your basics are sorted or not. That's it. Involvement. Okay, what is involvement? Okay, but still. Now, okay, why is this not going downwards? Oh, this is down. This is the last line. We can have a good formatting also of this project, of this resume. Considering you know a big trending tech stack, which is like trending tech, which is AWS, that's a great point. But yeah, we need to improve a lot in the resume. There's no coding, there's nothing as of good description of projects. So we need to work a lot on these stuff. Cool. Yeah. Again, amazing resume. Awesome resume. See, in the first glance, you can see the links are highlighted. Awesome. Either it can be bold or highlighted, or it can be at the relevant locations. That's always a good point. And that is also like useful also. It will actually help us. So now coming on back, again, awesome CGPA. Nice. Experience and position of responsibility. Okay. That's good. We can have experience on one and position of responsibility on another. But yeah, if the space is constraints, we can have it in one paragraph also. That's completely fine. Front end role. Okay. See, experience, we should have something. Guided and mentored a team of front-end interns. Okay. Bro was an intern and he guided and mentored an intern also. That's a good. In terms of responsibilities, overseeing their workflow and providing solutions to any challenges they encountered, maintain a code quality. Aha. Everything is sorted, right? Here you skipped my Leetcode GFG link review, please. Aisa. Meat. Where is meat gone? Meat. Okay. Okay, I'm lost. I'm lost in resumes. Okay, here is the meats. We have okay. We have some links at the top. Awesome. Yeah, meat. Why haven't you added your rating? Oh, you have added the rating also. Here's the rating of Leetcode. Nice. Achieved a maximum rating. We can have that in one. We can have the achievement in one lines by tackling consistent practice. That is spoken words, not written words. We should not write these words. Making it a big makes it much more like makes it having much more chances that the interview will miss it. So please let's have it a less cluttered one. Cool. Where were we? We were at. Arey yaar, फिर से I missed it. We were at Kevin. Okay, we were at. I always miss resumes. Right. We were at Kevin. So now if you zoom back, we were at the role development and completed user admin front-end React.js. That's nice. Cool. That's experience. Much to ask while an interview, but develop a coding platform with personalized topic-wise problem recommendations for users, admin monitoring capabilities. Okay. Don't think this recommendation system, like again, it can be something which we can discuss in the interview, but yeah. Bro, that's a very good project. That's a very good project. Oh, it is live also. Oh, see, that's one of the most awesome thing. Okay, it's not open. Oh, sorry.
Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Tamakwala and today I am going to
यार दिक्कत ये है कि इसमें ऐड नहीं आने चाहिए but ठीक है, that's the most awesome thing. Bro had a YouTube link. Can you just see that part? That's one of the most awesome stuff. Hands down 10 points on this. I would like to watch a video of a demo rather than going through the GitHub code or the live demo myself. I would like a video instead. That's the hands down great part which you can do. Awesome projects. That's one thing. Bro is thrilling in life. Bro is thrilling in life. That's what consistency. See, you will say, okay, Leetcode profile, like ranking and stuff. Okay, 1881. You will see. You might say, okay, see, consistency is one thing. Contest attended a bit less, but still, consistency is one thing which bro is taking care of with the learning of different tech stacks. That is what you are missing out. Bro was focusing regularly. See, you will see the bro is content. Like bro is consistent in solving. You will see 1 problem, 4 problem. At least he's solving daily. He's consistent. That's the biggest thing. Discipline we need to have, and that's how you will improve. And again, bro is also learning stuff, which is dev stuff, which is actually impacting him as in like good in a good way, because of which he will have more opportunities to actually be like his resume being selected in much more companies rather than yours, because yours is okay, it's just specific thing, but he has projects on those tech stacks which you might not. So please be consistent, and hard work is the only key. That's it. Discipline and hard work. That's it. Skill summary. जो भी है, I'm already impressed with the resume, so I might not go much. But yeah, that's a awesome one. Cool. Now let's go. Nitish. Bhai, we have 124 for sure. We cannot do it. Okay. We can actually have a good formatting of resume, because see, we saw a bit good ones which have good formatting. The ones which you saw was line wise. That was the one, and that and one was one column this side, one column this side. That's another. Choose one of them. That looks much more better. All right. Okay. Let's. यार मतलब नाम में भैया है. That's nice. Cool. So you can see bro is graduated already. That's with a nice CGPA. Intern, okay. So bro is looking maybe for jobs and stuff. But if we go on and see, spacing is a lot. That's the one thing. Spread the end-to-end development of an innovative web application utilizing the low-level design principle to seamlessly integrate real-time, share functionality, responsive design for compatibility across, maintain documentations. What you did in this? It's just a chat app. Good. But what was new? Don't know. Okay, in turn, design and maintain the vibration board. Okay, good. That's nothing much I can ask in an interview from you. Okay, there's no links and stuff. There is no links. Okay, we have links, I guess. Okay, GitHub, HackerRank, K4Geese. There's no LinkedIn. Sorry, there's no Leetcode link and stuff. Good. But yeah, we can have links to give more credibility of what you did. But yeah, again, we can have good tech stacks also. See, we have a lot of things missing. One is tech stack. One, we can have a variety of tech stacks to actually be good at it. At least make projects on it. At least to get our resume selected, or at least to get interview calls for some startup or early age startups or these companies. If we are not good at coding also and development also, we will get a hard time getting opportunities. So get good at DSA. If you think you have tried a lot and you're not getting good at it, please parallelly start focusing on dev. Cool. Let's go on to the next one. Awesome. We have a bit space. We can please reduce that. Again, we can reduce that. That's a lot of space. See, you have a lot of things which you can do. As people have it, to reduce or remove space, add courses, add certifications, add these kind of stuff. Although these are not impactful, but this will remove the unnecessary space in your resume. Cool. If we go back, we can have, again, I will keep track. So please check my resume once. I'm checking everyone's resume. Okay, that is the max I can do at this speed. Cool. Now, see, that's the reason I was telling to be active. Like if you had been active, then your resume would have been in the top ones. Then it would have been a better chance, because there's no possibilities. Last ones will never be reviewed. Reviewed. It is already 1:42. 1 hour 42 minutes it has already been. We'll just simply wrap off, because now we can have a next. Oh, bhai, bro, that's a lot of achievements. Bro, that's a lot of achievements for some code chef or code forces profile. Again, that's good. You have done awesome. But can we have a bit more, like maybe hackathons, maybe some other contest? So rather than having a special Leetcode tab, then code forces tab, then coach, again, your ratings are nice. You can have 2 points. Okay, 1 point for your ranking, 1 point like for your rating, 1 point for your ranking in a contest, 1 point for your rating, 1 point for your ranking in the contest, 1 for rating, 1 for ranking. So you can have 6 points in achievement, or you can mix that in a coding profile itself. But that is a super only and only coding, and the same stuff. That's a bit too much. But again, we need to have something also. We can actually, it seems very, very visible that we have had this because of, we have put the space purposely. See, I'll say give more. You can give, see, you can give Hacker Earth contest also. See, you have a good profile, like you have a good rating by now. So if you have a good rating by now, you can give some Hacker Earth contest, some happening for any, maybe any hiring, any big contest happening on Hacker Earth, Hacker Rank. Give that contest, get some rank, add that rank in the achievement itself. That's one thing. Other thing is, if go and simply participate in some hackathon, internal hackathon, college hackathon, any college event. See, if you participate in some coding event in a college, then you can actually add that event. So it will not look like, okay, everything is coding. It will be looking like coding itself, but then it's a different contest. It's a different stuff altogether. So that we can do, right? And these are very basic projects. And that too in the same tech stack. We can actually improve it. So right now you have time. Now if I have not gone to a profile, but if I go on, where is the link? Okay, there's no link. Oh, there is no link. Okay, there is no link. We should have a link of Leetcode and stuff, but for sure for the final review, for the final resume review, as in when you will show to the interviewer, please have the link sorted. That's going to be a very good thing. And yeah, extracurriculars. How is that extracurricular? Cool. How is that extracurricular? You have been doing okay. How is that extracurricular? Okay. See, we have used a lot of space unnecessarily. We can actually reduce that and put something else, maybe a project. Again, I know that's a very cliche statement because we don't have projects right now. We don't have projects. So maybe we can add Gamer Adda, please 2 more. Please waiting since 1 hour, please bro. For sure, 2 more. So yeah, that is what we should do, Akash. Cool. Now, okay, maybe Gamer Adda is Chandan. 1 year experience, 22 grad. Will you be willing to refer me at Goldman? Yeah, bro, for sure. Oh, it's Arvind Kejriwal. For sure. Nice. Awesome resume. If I like it, you can. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, did I accept? Yeah, I did. Cool. I liked it. The CGPA is nice. And okay. Awesome. iOS testing. Raised 50 plus blockers and quality feature request on pivot tracker that has helped to improve test software. Okay, nice. See, that is what is called as a resume. Can you see that part? That's so good. Awesome. Let's have a final review of the Leetcode and stuff. I hope so. It's nice. If even if it's not, that doesn't matter much, but that is nice. We can have a bit more of, okay, you have been getting a bit regular lately, but yeah, that's that's awesome. So we can have this one. Yeah, so Dipesh, you can just message me, like I'll ping you my official email of office. Ping me there, then I will be easily able to refer you. Because see, usually people say, Aryan, can you please refer us? See, one thing, for freshers I cannot refer, for interns I cannot refer. That's a bullshit thing, but that is what it is. For experienced, I can. So that is, you have to understand, for freshers, it's a very highly not possible to refer. The only way I can refer is I will take your resume in front of my hand, show to my manager. Like my manager right now is at a very high level. I show to him, then I'll say to him, can you please refer him? That's the way for a referral for a fresher. But for a lateral hire, like for let's say for the page, I just have to put it in the portal itself, and then he will get the call from the HR itself. So my portion of printing the resume, going, telling him, all that stuff is not there. So I have to specifically go take a time with my manager, show him. That's a very big thing which usually is not possible to have. That's the reason people have shared a lot of times, but I'm not able to do it because of this reason only. So yeah, you can just ping me. Now, now you might say, who ping me details? Now you might say, Aryan, you have not given the email, because yeah, I'll not give on the live stream itself. I'll give when he'll reply back on, then I can give him. It's cool. Let's continue with the 1 year. Okay, okay, sure. Cool. Now unknown Kumar. We have unknown Kumar. Okay. Nice. See, it should look like at least you have put some effort in your resume. Again, awesome, bro. Awesome. See, no matter what the college is, 9 looks nice. That's my take. So it is what it is. It is what it is. Now, coming on back. Okay, my tab is just completely filled, so I'll just cross things out. That's a lot of filling. My RAM is not that great. My laptop will get hanged. Whew. Cool. You must be wondering what this is. This is visualization of stuff. I'll show you in a later video, but yeah, let's review. I'll go back to chat. It has been a long time. My battery is gonna die, so this is probably the last one. Let's see. Again, resumes will more or less be same. No worries on that part. No worries. Cool. Awesome. See, one thing you might have remembered, I said one time earlier that okay, Android and iOS apps are not much in demand, but still, making a project doesn't say that okay, you will get a job in this field only. Project just says that what you can deliver and bring out. Now, that's awesome that he has built. Again, that's an experience, but that's again awesome thing. देखो, Umatjeet waiting for 3 hours. How come it is possible? Someone is waiting for 3 hours. 2-3 और कर लो. Please 3 more. कोई कह रहा है 3 more, कोई कह रहा है 4 more, कोई कह रहा है 5 more. See, okay, I'll go on to chat and then I'll come back and then we'll have a constructive decision that how many we can do. But let's finish off this first. Spread that we can maybe reduce these lines to 1.5. That will be great. Again, these two lines. But yeah, awesome representation. That's a great number for it. Everything is on Flutter, Figma. That's awesome. But we can expand it so that we can have much more offers later on in the future. Because everything you have either is Flutter. Again, I know that you also know web dev. Expand that too, so that maybe you can have opportunities there also. Now, coming on to links, we have no links as such. Okay, there are no links. Please add links, else it gives no credibility. Right? Okay. That's nice. Program more than 200 labs. What does labs means? Oh, we have a link now. Okay, but I don't want to open it. It doesn't. Okay, we have links in the last. See, instead of links in the last, we can have link here itself, and then in the last we can have some other achievements, other things, maybe position of responsibility, or maybe something like that. Or maybe if you want, we can have. See, no one cares about your. You can also give your CodeChef link. You have not given the CodeChef link itself. Sorry, Code Forces link. You have Code Forces profile, but you have not given the Code Forces link. But yeah, we can still work about for that. That's nice. Cool. That's done. That's done. Done. Cool. Now, okay. This is probably we can review two more. But firstly, let's come on to chat. Now, okay, can I send my resume now, please? भाई कल पनवेल निकलना है, जल्दी भैया. Okay, CP करना जरूरी है क्या? See, CP is nothing but competitive programming. Competitive programming is nothing but programming in a competitive environment, which is contest. Which is contest. Contest giving is competitive programming. Please get that in your head. But usually, Leetcode problems are not called as CP problems, which is competitive problems, because they are more of data structures based. If you know, okay, you want to apply, let's say, Fenwick tree or what, maybe any other data structure, let's say try or stuff, then you can easily apply that. But it is not always true. It is not always true. In your CP, in your CodeChef for forces, you can apply anything whatsoever and you can get the answer. So it's more of a CP. After many days, yeah, Vamsi, I know. It's painful, but only today I got some time. You can't even imagine how. But cool. What's your view on learning Node.js? Please give some guidance. Learn it, finish it. It will take 2 months. Again, 2 months with other activities also. Learn it, finish it. It's a very good stuff to learn. High in hype, and something in hype we should learn and finish it up. It's my idea. I'll not say don't learn it, please leave it. Nah, what everyone knows, we should also know. What others are focusing more on, we should focus something more on something else. Cool, right? Bhaiya, I have 2 years of experience in business analytics. I have learned Java full stack web dev with Spring Boot and want to become a Java developer, but I don't have relevant experience in Java domain. There is no experience required in Java domain. Just make some project, or if not, contribute in some project. Just go do some internship or stuff. If you have some good projects, showcase it. Showcase public learning. Showcase. Post that as a video. Post that. Make a video of that project. Explain it very nicely. Share me the link. On let's say on this channel itself, the Telegram channel. Share the link. If I liked what you have made, I'll share myself on a video. And like anyone who is making stuff and they think they have actually made a good stuff and you want to promote your stuff, again, the best way to hire or to attract talent or to attract HRs is promote that stuff which you have made on LinkedIn, promote that on platforms like Insta, Twitter, all that stuff. Promote that on YouTube also. YouTube influence hires, HRs are not there, but still, if you promote that, it will reach to wider audience. Wider audience would know you, and that connection will help you getting a referral much faster. So building in public is very important, and you should do to get much more chances. Again, Rahul, I will say make a video on that. Again, have that video on YouTube. Make it public. Get the link out. Get the link in the Telegram channel, and then we will watch it. We'll for sure share it. Hands down. That's how you can actually get to know, okay, bhai, ye banda. Let's say if let's say anyone asks me, bro, do you know someone who is good in Java? I'll say, bro, I have seen Rahul makes awesome things. You can take him. That's how connection is built. Cool. Now, what's your view on learning Node.js? That's done. How to switch job? Now companies ask for project work in the previous company. That's obvious. They will ask. See, That's it. I told you, fake it. Fake it. How? You are working on, let's say, XYZ stuff. You know that's not relevant to the industry. Do one thing. Your teams, other teams, they might be working on something else, right? If they're working on something else, get that out. Understand that what they are working, again, not the code base, understand what they are working functionally, right? When you have got that, have a look at the code base a little bit. When you have got that also, then you can easily go and tell, I also worked in that. While in the interview for the next company, you can easily tell, see, the backend, the actual tech stack, what the other teams are working, you can learn parallelly while in your holidays. Now in the next interview, you can go and tell, I have worked on this also. Who knows in that company that you have worked on it or not? They will ask you, what was done? What was existingly there? What you improved in this? Tell him. That's it. That's why I say, Aryan, it is lying. We should not lie. If you don't want to lie, go your home. Things work like this. We should work like this only. That's it. That's simple. Other team is working on it. You think it's a good, again, Aryan, I have no team working on it. Bro, find some team who's working on something good. Understand that from anyone in the team. Again, that's not okay. I'll go make a meeting with them. Understand gradually. Okay, one time, okay, my battery is dead. I'll switch to a different camera, but I don't know how to switch. How to switch? Okay, there is no media source, video capture device. Okay, Lappy. Wait a second. This, I told you my camera will die, but you guys were not listening to me. And now you will see my camera died. Okay, that's a lot of background stuff. Cool. This looks nice, right? Okay. Okay. How to? I don't know. I can maybe expand this. You should also see something in the background of mine. Cool. I can do something like this. Maybe. Now, let's come on back. We have no time for this bakwas. Cool. We are sorted, right? We are sorted. Is it fine? Cool. Now we were saying that that is done. How to switch jobs, that's done. Can you take what? Where is that gone? Oh teri. Yeah, I always skip things. Thank you bhaiya, love you 3000. Okay, meet. Okay, something is missed. A lot of things is missed. Okay, that is done. Please do live, Aryan. Please. Ha, bro. For sure, Vamsi. See, what we can do is we can do live twice a month. That what I can afford, and that will be when we don't have bi-weekly contest. That's the best thing, when we can do lives, and then we can discuss the exact same stuff like resume reviews and stuff can end up happening, right? It can end up happening like this only, how we take it likewise, right? And yeah, please, one thing, yeah, we are stuck at subscribers. Can we please, again, I don't know how many likes we have. यार हद होती है यार, मतलब यार, you have, if I have not asked, you guys have not liked it. That's so painful. Like, smash मारो भाई. We'll do it. Okay, we have a lot. Oh teri. Oh, please don't give links. Give the actual PDFs. That is bhai sahab. Okay. And W for SD, kindly review it. See, 2 दिन बाद, see, if you have an interview, then things will not change first. firstly, but still, what resume is awesome. Resume is awesome at a glance, and also experience is also awesome, but it's a bit big and not easy to read. That's one thing, but still, it's awesome, I'll say. Now, coming on back, yeah, please, can you please smash that like, baby? Yeah, matlab, and and also, yeah, we have been stuck at subscribers count since last 3 months, and very pathetically stuck. So can we please also, again, I might end up saying, okay, we can have a next live stream at 25k, sorry, 35k. No, I don't want to do all that stuff. I want to still consistently be live. यार मजा आता है, feel आती है. Cool. So can you please help get subscribed? That's gonna be awesome. Cool. Like, it's totally up to you. But yeah, liking is still you are watching and like it. Subscribe, you might not end up liking that. Okay, you can leave subscribe, but at least like. Cool. Let's finish off chat and then we'll wrap up. Again, no worries for resume review. We can have a next live stream in which we can have more discussion. See, live stream is more of discussion, not a wow. Awesome. So live stream is more of discussions, right? So we can have a discussions. We can have, again, there can be different discussions happening. What's happening again? What I thought of, I will actually help do is, I will tell you, if I would have been at your place, how I would have gone about and searched for companies and then all that stuff. But we ended up doing all resume reviews and stuff, so nothing happened. But no worries, future we'll do it. No worries. But yeah, let's wrap up. We need reacting to memes, not to resume. But someone should be there to send the memes. We should be having to, like, I don't know. They're not much folks. Yeah, like, I love also reacting to memes, but yeah, that's something nice. We can have something like reacting to memes. That will be super great. Cool. No. Where to upload resume? Code insanity. I think Aryan is bachelor. Who is the next person in your home? Viewers ask about it. I think Aryan is bachelor. Who is the next person in your home? Viewers ask about this. Oh, that guy or that person is gone. I'll say person. Now you know that's a guy. Telegram. We'll try. Way to submit me. Supreet Singh, kya haal hai? Sab badhiya. See, that's the name readability. People, like, I have recognized people by the last live streams I had, right? So I'll say that that's how I really recognize. Okay, the more frequent you read the names and stuff, the more frequent you like realize that, okay, we are frequent folks. Yeah, you guys have still stopped liking. No worries. We'll just wrap it off. Practicing questions on Leetcode, maintaining streaks since 150 days, but I'm getting scared about the placements and how to see. Maintaining streak is not about just maintaining streak. If you had maintained streak wisely, as in, if I ask and pick any question in last 150 days and I ask you, can you tell me the proper explanation with code? If yes, then your streak was useful. If no, then it's not useful. So just maintaining streak, solving problems, it is not useful. We should be able to understand and see. Give a simple task to you. You get a hard problem, flag it. You get a hard problem, flag it and mark it. Okay, after 1 week, I will do this problem. If you are able to replicate and do the same problem again, great. If not, revise that back. If not, revise that back. That's the only thing. I try become like you and solve DSA like you. Please suggest me how many time should I study? Just solve problems. Give more context, solve more problems. And I'll say, don't get entirely into this Leetcode stuff. If you think you're not improving, I should look here, not there. Okay, if you think that you are not improving, pause it, start dev also parallelly. I've seen many people just stuck grinding Leetcode. They think they're not improving. Either people leave it entirely, or people just start saying, okay, I'll do only dev, I'll only do Leetcode until I improve. And that's where you miss, right? Hey Aryan, can you make a video if you have to start all over again? How would you start it in the current scenario? If I had to start over again, that's a good thing. All right, I should write it. If I had to start over again. See, I write stuff. So coding, right? I suppose coding and everything, let's say. But yeah, start over again as in start from what time? That's a question. My resume, please. Yes, don't worry. We'll have more live streams. I'll say whenever you get a live stream notification, the ones you can just either comment first and put your resume at that point of time in Telegram. That will be in that order. I'll start reviewing the resume. All right. So we can have this thing that as soon as we have the live stream notification gone in, usually I'll try in a month 2 times, which is for sure Saturdays. And as soon as we have that, we can simply do one thing, pull up the resume. And please, the ones whose resume are reviewed, please don't push your resume. You can have new resumes coming in. What is new in you that is not in me? Please suggest. How would I know? When you sleep in college time while study. Huh? Me and when you sleep in college time while study. What is new in you that is not in me? Please suggest. I don't understand that fact, but yeah, I don't know what's different in us, but everyone is different. Maybe you have something amazing which I don't have. That's completely. Place the link at a wrong place, I guess. Okay, Sahil on the top Leetcode. Sahil. Yeah, like it's not wrong, but usually people while reviewing your rank will need or would like to go onto your Leetcode profile while getting to see your rank or maybe rating. They'll go and want to look at your profile. At that point, they might end up seeing your Leetcode. You skipped my Leetcode GFG link, please. That is done. Cool. Hello. Bhaiya, I am doing internship since 1 year. Do I resign because I could not able to focus on DSA? See, that's a bullshit. You can still focus on DSA while doing a full-time internship. It's still an internship. Well, look at me. If I can do it, why cannot you? I do the problem. I make a video on it. I make live founders discussions on it. I learn stuff also. As I told earlier, again, yeah, please, can you please smash the like, baby? Now, I learn the stuff also. Again, the learning part is a bit lagging behind. Again, my health has also lagged behind. Again, you cannot do everything. People who say, I do everything, that's not possible. You have to either delegate your task, but health learnings cannot be delegated. You will have to go and do pull-ups, right? You cannot ask anyone else to do pull-ups for you. You will have to go and learn the lectures by yourself. No one else can learn in behalf of you. So some things can't be delegated, and there are only a few things which a person can do. So, like for example, we can do 2.5 steps. We can do two and a half stuff simultaneously or parallelly with full devotion. One can be your internship. Second can be your DSA. Second and a half can be your dev learnings, extra learning which you want. Again, for me, one, again, as I told earlier, one, it is 2.5. So first one for me was my office work. Second for me is my YouTube and Insta, like the content, because see, putting out lecture, I know for sure it is never gonna grow. I don't get even a half of audience of what content I think that is being delivered. People, I don't know what, for why reason, they just want to see something which can at least give them motivation, because for sure, everyone require motivation, everyone require guidance. Simply solving a problem will never land you to anywhere. You need guidance, you need something that actually helps you landing up to specific places. So for that's it is this kind of content which we are seeing right now. So yeah, that's what my focus is, number 2. And third, which is a half focus right now, is again, for me, YouTube is nothing but DSA itself. So for me, both is overlapping inside, because if I do DSA, if I make a video on that, I'm actually also solving that. So both overlaps. Second and a half is nothing but dev for me, which means learning new tech. Because if I just skip, I'll only do DSA, I'll be lagging behind from the entire right now people. I should also keep on learning. You should never stop learning. If you stop, it's gone. Cool. We have just few more minutes, then we will wrap up. Sorry, bro. Please check mine. No worries, bro. Please 2 more. Bro, waiting. Check my resume also. Where to send a resume? Choose a couple of from the bottom as well. Mine too, bro. I am Darshan. Oh, hey. Hi, Smokey. Hi, Darshan Kritik. Hi. See, that's how you build your name. Darshan has built his name. Same way, there are many other people who have built their name. So I kind of now remember, oh, these are folks. So mine too, bro. Now, like Darshan, yours. See, for the folks who are actually like connected with me on LinkedIn, they can also share me on LinkedIn, but please don't spam there. It is much more relevant. I will do in live. That's much more useful for others also. They will see what all projects people have made, what all things people have done, all that stuff. So it's helpful for others also, and for you also, and for me also. Please don't spam on LinkedIn, please. Check my resume. Hi, Aryan. Sure. Thanks, Aryan. Thanks. 2, 3 or kar lo. Majjeet. I have done, I guess. Here I am currently in 3rd year CSE. Please guide me how to maximize my CTC offer as placement and internship season is started in my college. Please tell me what sort of projects to make. If you are in 3rd year, I'll say the placement companies, they don't look for projects that much. I'll say don't waste. Again, if you want, you can. My statements are very blunt. Take a project, copy paste that, understand how it works, get things working, add a small feature which will take a day or a 2 or maybe a 3, a week maybe, and then push that in your resume. Don't make it from scratch. Although Aryan, development is not like this. I know. Be realistic. You don't have time. You have to do both DSA. You can do. Get your internship sorted. Get your offer sorted. Then study very easily. Do everything. But we have to prioritize tasks. That what people miss to tell. And that what we should not miss. Bhaiya, can we please smash the like, baby? Please? Cool. Now, Bhaiya, please review. Okay. No worries, Aryan, no worries. No worries, Umat, no worries. We will have it more, one more. Okay, my resume 11th from this one. Please review it, bro. I don't even remember what was the 11th one. But no worries, Darshan. We can for sure have it. Both on LinkedIn also and for sure on the live chat also. Right? 4 more, please. Okay. Please take my resume. Also waiting. Bro, every day solving to 5 questions like a kid walks. So saturated is IT. Now, bro, it is not like that. It is not like that. It is not like that. Opportunities open and close both ways. We just have to find right one. I repeat. People think it is saturated. It is not. People are getting laid off. And the people which are being hired are better in a lesser salary. So you might end up saying salary has decreased, opportunities has not. You just have to be more skilled than the one which are actually there things will be sorted. Earlier, we had a lot of money, so it was very easy to hire more. But now, hiring is back to how it was in 2018. Hiring is back to how it was in 2018. We just have to, again, that's not reduced. That's back to its basics. We have to also go ahead of that basic number. That seems very easy to say and very cliche to say, but it's hard. But it's beatable. That's what I'm saying. Android dev का क्या ए भाई यार तो ये यार बहुत जल्दी निकल जाती है भाई लोग स्पैम मत करो यार resume review done next time से I'll do a fast one sorry भाई कल सोचा कल का कॉन्टेस्ट देना है कल कॉन्टेस्ट है that's true भाई यार स्पैम मत किया करो यार can you please upload part 2 for Fen Victory? Firstly, I'll try to upload Rabin Carb one. Then I have to upload another 100 days, 100k placement lecture. And then I will prepare the Fen Victory part 2. That's how fucked up life is. Cool. Java plus Spring Boot plus React versus Mern, please. Both. I'll say Java plus Spring plus React will help you in basically the companies which are, big ones like Amazon, Goldman, Google, like these. Amazon plus, Java plus Spring plus React. Why? Mern will help you in startups or early age companies or like these companies which are a bit small scale but very large scale enterprises. They actually work on Java much more than the simple Mern stack. Cool. So if you want to have more options, Mern. If you want to have quality options, then are Spring, Java, Spring Boot, and React. Cool. Lucifer Infosys को hire ही नहीं कर रही ना. Can you review? Okay. Last time you opened again the driver link. But I experience. Thanks a lot for suggestions to make the experience more readable. Cool. आप योगा करते हो? करता था. Not now. Time नहीं है. I know we should focus on health, but you cannot do everything. Again, I try to go thrice a week to gym. I've not cancelled my membership, but that's something which, again, can we please smash that like, baby? Now I have opened it. Now I look at it. Now I see why it is still there. Cool. Cool. I am second year student. Can anyone crack only base on DSA? Can anyone crack only base on DSA? What is base on DSA? Based on DSA. Yeah, you can. But that's not desirable. As in, like, if you have only DSA, firstly, you will not get shortlisted much more than how you could have got shortlisted by just having some projects in your resume. So have some, I'll say. It will have a much better impact than having nothing and having only DSA, because having only DSA is a very bad impression. I swear. I am saying who teach only DSA. Just imagine if I am saying that. That's actually true. Cool. You still do CP? Nah, time hi nahi hai. If I would have time, I told you, a person, see, what do you think? I logged in today also to do office work because this was a weekend. So the release which happened, I have to go and verify my all releases were fine. Nothing broke. If something would have broken, I would have fixed it today itself so that on Monday I will do an ad hoc release and fix it. Because weekend, if you don't know, financial stuff don't run on weekend. They run on weekdays. So that's how. That's the reason I told you in one of my Insta reels. If you don't know, I don't think so. I don't know which account is this. Okay. So not this. I should go into this. See, if you have not followed it, you can just go and check out. But This is, see, in this I told, bhai, only 2 months of last sem remaining. Any recommendations? In that I specifically told, office life is fucked up. Office life is fucked up. So get your things sorted before that. Either if you want to enjoy, good, do that. If you want to study, want to do something, learn something new, do that. After joining office and stuff, things will get so tiring, you will get no time for anything. Either you will do office parties, but then you will not be able to learn. And if you will not learn, you will be still like the other office folks, which you are in, which are in your team or maybe at your place. That's it. Cool. We'll wrap up. Thank you so much for watching. It's 2.5 hours, a lot than what we expected. Sorry for taking a lot of time, but yeah, can you please smash that like baby before going? And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll charge my battery so that we can have tomorrow's contest. Please give me suggestion on doing Node.js, please. Hi, see, Kunal, we can simply go and again, I'll not right now name for any specific course or stuff. If I would have been at your place and right now if I would have to want to learn, I'll firstly search Node.js course on YouTube. I'll firstly go and have a crash course of it. 1 hour one. When I've done the crash course, I would know what Node.js actually does, how it actually works after doing the crash course. Then I will open Node.js full courses. We'll look for, okay, views, experience, people comments, all that stuff. I'll go and open Udemy also. If you don't know, there's also, again, I'll not go into that stuff, but I'll open Udemy. Then I'll do one thing. I'll search for Node.js course in there itself. I'll look at their index. I'll look for some trial videos which they have given for free. If I like the course, and for sure, I'll look at the rating also. If I like the course, I will open websites. There are many websites. I'll open that and I'll compare YouTube and Udemy. I'll compare both. Which gives me more, like which gives me complete course. I'll take that. Again, for Udemy, you don't have to spend money. There are different ways. If you don't know, I cannot speak here, but yeah, there are ways to get any course on Udemy, any course. Now, just get that. Again, if anyone knows, can comment down below. But yeah, just get that course, learn from it, sorted. So that's how we simply sort stuff out, right? Not an n log n, it's a O of n sorting, new sorting, O of n. Cool. Thank you, yaar. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care. It's a long live stream, but yeah, thank you so much for joining in. I didn't. I couldn't review all the resumes, which I can see there are many. But yeah, next time, let's try to have your resume in top 20 resumes in the list, and then we can actually for sure review it. But no worries. If you'll incrementally keep on doing it, Gapshap resume review, Gapshap resume review, so that we can actually sort the resume out. Cool. Bye bye. Chale. Tata. Goodbye. Wow, yaar. Wow. Cool. Bye bye. Tata. Goodbye. Thank you for joining in. And that's it from my side. I'll meet you tomorrow. Before going, can you please smash the like baby? That's gonna be great. Are you coming in top mate? Yeah, someone pinned on Insta, as in like I had a poll, asked me a question. So I will try to come to top mate. I don't know how to use that, but I think it's a one-to-one like guidance system or something like that. But yeah, I'll for sure come to top mate. Let's have that on my list also. Get into top mate. Okay. I don't think I can guide anything else than what a generic guidance is. It's more or less everything same. Be disciplined, work hard. That's it. And yeah, directional discipline. Don't just do everything at once. You cannot. Cool. Bye bye. Bye bye. For sure, Chandrika. I will come. Cool. Now bye bye. Make a WhatsApp community. Oh, can we have a lot of people on WhatsApp? If yes, then I can make for sure WhatsApp community. Yeah, that's also great. WhatsApp community. WhatsApp. That's a good recommendation. You guys should give these recommendations. And yeah, we'll make that. Cool. Now let's end it. End it. क्या होता है? Let's end it. That's gonna be WhatsApp +1. Cool. Yeah, that's a good thing. Like you can add +1 stuff. That helps us to know what to make, what not to. Bye bye. यार बहुत टाइम हो गया भाई, सोना है. It's 12:30, guys. Go sleep. Wake up early in the morning and then give contest. Cool. Bye bye. Bye. Finally, bye bye. And yeah, before going, can you please smash like baby? Cool. Is it sorted? Right? Is it?